to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. How are you today? I hope you all doing good. Are you ready to play and learn? Awesome! Let's start. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound of group 6. And our letter for today is letter Y. Okay, the sound of letter Y is y, y, y. Repeat after me. Y, y, y. Great job! Now it's time to do the sound along with the action. For the action, pretend we are eating yogurt and say y, y, y. Alright, repeat after me. Y, y, y. Good job! And now, let's say the words with the y sound. Repeat after me. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Good job. Yolk. Yolk. Yogurt. Yogurt. Yak. Yak. Yam. Yam. Yarn. Yarn. Yell. Yell.
Now, let's have an activity. Identify the names of these pictures. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is this? That's right. It's a yo-yo. What about this? You're right. It's a yolk. What about this? Very good. It's yogurt. What about this? Correct. It's a yak. What about this? Good job. It's a yam. What about this? Excellent. It's a yarn. What about this? Very good. It's yowl. Good job, everyone. All right, now it's time for riddle.
It's time for a riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? When we crack the egg, we can see this thing. The color is yellow and it will be always in the middle. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's a yolk. Yay! We did it friends. Yes, good job friends, good job friends, good job, good job, good job friends. Alright friends, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Alright everyone, now let's have a quick review. What letter is this? Very good. Letter Y. How about the sound? Excellent. Y, y, y. Well done. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.